Hello everybody. You want to learn content management system and you confused between WordPress and Joomla, what you should learn. So here we see this application given by Stack Overflow. So here we compare between WordPress and Joomla. So that's the trend of WordPress is blue and the other is for Joomla. So this trend is the percentage of Stack Overflow questions. So here when we see this trend is that's give us that WordPress is by far better than Joomla in those days. Okay. What's that mean? That means that the developers and IT engineers are use WordPress rather than Joomla. So let's see another area of what that shows you what you should learn. Okay. So here Upwork is a freelancing platform. So the freelancing platform, they give you the job market. I think the Upwork is the better place to choose what you should learn. Okay. So here that's Joomla. Here we search for Joomla. We find that there is 5 open job for entry level and 65 for intermediate and 29 for expert. If we search for WordPress, we find that there is 840 for entry level, 9,518 for intermediate, and 9,297 for expert open job in Upwork. Okay, so by far WordPress is better than Joomla. Okay. So if you want to use this application to compare any two languages, platforms, or anything, I will give you the link in the descriptions below. And if you want to start learning WordPress, I give you a good resources. Just check the descriptions below. And I hope that you like the video and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching.